Ever stared at your phone, wondering what to do with all that extra cash sitting in your FavePay wallet? You're not alone. FavePay, with its sleek interface and promise of rewards, can be a bit of a mystery. So, let's unravel it together. What can you actually do with FavePay? Is it just for ordering food? Nope, not even close. It's time to explore the hidden depths of this digital wallet. First off, let's talk about the obvious, food. FavePay is a foodie's paradise. You can order from your favorite restaurants, grab a quick bite, or indulge in a fancy dinner, all with a few taps. But hold your horses, because the fun doesn't stop there. Imagine strolling through a mall, eyeing that perfect outfit. Well, guess what? Many stores accept FavePay. From fashion to electronics, your digital wallet is your new shopping companion. And let's not forget about those sweet rewards. Every purchase, big or small, earns you points that can be redeemed for discounts, vouchers, and even freebies. But wait, there's more. FavePay isn't just for shopping and dining. It's your new go-to for everyday expenses. Need to pay bills? FavePay has you covered. From utilities to subscriptions, you can manage your finances in one place. And let's talk about those online purchases. Forget about typing in card details every time. With FavePay, checkout is a breeze. Now, let's dive into the world of entertainment. Craving a movie night? Book your tickets with FavePay and enjoy exclusive discounts. Feeling adventurous? Explore activities and experiences, from concerts to theme parks, all accessible through your FavePay wallet. And let's not overlook the importance of sending and receiving money. FavePay makes peer-to-peer transactions a cinch. Whether it's splitting the bill with friends or sending money to family, it's quick, easy, and secure. So, there you have it. FavePay is more than just a digital wallet, it's your personal finance superhero. From food and shopping to bills and entertainment, it's your all-in-one solution for a cashless lifestyle. But remember, the possibilities don't end here. FavePay is constantly evolving, introducing new features and partnerships. So, keep an eye out for updates and explore all that this digital wallet has to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.